Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. In this particular video, I'm going to talk about ticker symbol IMPP, which is for Imperial Petroleum. If you look at last 5 days of chart, you can see it is in green, right? So Monday, Tuesday, it was going sideways, then Wednesday, a nice run up, and we were expecting the gap fill, which I will talk later in this particular video. So it went to 0.8 and moving sideways. Even last Friday, it was almost 7.5% up, even though the market was terrible and it was red, IMPP was green 7.5%. I'm going to talk all about this. If you look at the oil price all over the world, you can not all of yeah, so it's 120 per barrel. So December it was around 70, and since then now it is 120. In March it went to 120, 25, came down, and again it is on a rise. So that's a good thing, right? If you look at the prediction for Goldman Sachs, they're predicting 140 it will come, and it can go there, but anyway, we know why it is going higher. So IMPP, who said they are going higher and higher. So looking at the chart, you can see that how this thing is going. So there is a big gap, right, from zero point 0.8 to 0.5, 0.4, this area. So when it was about to break this particular area, we were predicting a big move. It did. We made some money. It came down, and again, we are making money on IMPP. And by the way, if you want to join our community, you are welcome. So you just need to go to the first link in the description, and also in the first comment you can join my Patreon. You can get access to my Discord, where I give different ticker symbol with entry, exit, and some note. I also go live at 9 o'clock in the morning to explain the play, why we are making and why we are playing this particular one. Just an example, last Friday, AERC, RDBX, we made some money, 60%, IMPP 16%. So this kind of thing. So anyway, so let's have a look on the chart. So in terms of the charting, there was a big gap. It filled the gap, it went up, then maintained that particular 0.5 area as a support, and again is pushing, and right now sitting at here. Very, very exciting. I'm going to talk about the price action, but before that, let's look at other things. So last Friday, the average volume, we were looking at 78 million, and last Friday, the volume was 135 million. So lots of volume came for IMPP. If you look at the daily volume, you can see that recently it is getting a lot of volume. During March, it got the similar type of volume, and the price went all the way to $7-8. Then with time it came down. They did some share offering and so many things. But the thing is, look at the yellow bars. Lots of volume coming, lots of volume coming. If the volume is coming in the same way, this thing can run again, and we can make some serious money on this particular one. If you look at the short interest, I don't know if Intel is showing only 5.4%. And in terms of, there are some shares available to short. So these are the things. But anyway, I'm more excited on the price action, not on the short squeeze side. Looking at the option chain event, we can make some guess. But before that, let's have a look on the overall chart, what we are predicting. So first of all, if you look at the chart, it made a nice support right around 0.5, right? After 0.5, it did a nice move. It tried to break the $1 barrier. It couldn't, but now it is maintaining this particular area, which is right around 0.75, 0.78. This is the area it is trying to make a new base. So if you want to wait, in that case you can wait for this to come back at 0.78, 0.8, which is a support. You get in here, you get out at $1, it would be nice 20% profit. Otherwise, in terms of the charting, if the share price can go over $1 area, or let's say 1.05, it has more room all the way to 1.3, because you can see the resistance right around 1.05 area, right? So once we go over 1.05, it has some room all the way to 1.3. But before that, we have to make two things. We have to maintain 0.8 as the support, and we also have to break the $1 psychological mark, which is acting like a resistance. But in terms of charting, you can see nice move from 0.4 all the way to 0.88. In few days, you just double your money. And if you're part of my group, congratulations. Again, if you want to join, just $9 per month, you can just join, become a part of the community, and you can make money with us. In terms of the option chain activity, let's have a look on the next option chain expiry date, which is 17th of June. And lots of call option for $1 strike. You can see the amount here, and one call option cost only $9. Okay, only $9. So you can buy a call option for $9. If it is moving, you can make some money. Also, if you are an option seller for making weekly money, you can also do it. You can sell a call option for one strike. or you can sell a put option for 1 strike and you can get $26. So option selling is another way we are making weekly income just by selling options and making cash. So anyway, so this is how it is looking like. You can play with shares or option, but normally for penny stock, I play with stock, and on the option side I sell option. When something is flying, the premium is high, so I sell option and make money. And you can play with shares if you're really long on this particular one. But anyway, in terms of charting, it is looking really nice. Seems like we are having some kind of consolidation. If you want to make a quick trade from 0.8 all the way to $1, that is 22%. You can still make some money. So anyway, each morning we watch the price action, we watch what's happening in the market, then we decide the entry and exit point. Keep that in mind. Even though SPY could be red, but IMPP is something different. It is following the oil price all over the world, so there is something you need to know what is happening. So anyway, just wanted to make a quick video on IMPP. I hope you like this particular video, and if you do so, then please hit the like button. It helps my channel to grow. Subscribe my channel for getting more videos. I upload almost 1 or 2 videos each day. At the same time, if you want to be part of my community and you want this kind of early alert pre-market, in that case join my community and let's make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.